Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to highlight logical in Excel. So let's start. So this is my Excel and here you can see I have a data with the logical true false. Okay, so I'm going to highlight it. Simply select the entire data and press the Ctrl G and here you can see the go to dialog box is open. Then click on the specials and then click on the constant option. And after the click on the constant, here you can see some option here showing. Untick the option you don't want to highlight. So I just untick the numbers, text, and errors. So here I'm going to highlight only logicals. After that, click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see only the logical is selected. Okay. After that, go to the Home tab. In font group, click on the field color option and select the color you want to highlight. So I select here orange color and that's it. Here you can see only the logicals is highlighted. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.